Welcome back to the Skitch on Wheels channel. Thanks for dropping in. Today I'm going to install my Nelson-Rigg Hurricane bags onto the new Nelson-Rigg quick release saddlebag plate. First, let me start by thanking Nelson-Rigg for supporting the channel. They've given you all an affiliate link. If you put in Skitch25 in the promo code, you will get 25% off anything on their store over $50 plus free shipping. So that's a great deal. Go have a look on their website. They make good products. Hopefully this will help you all save a little money, and it also supports my channel. So what are we doing today? These bags have been great, great usability, good size, they're weatherproof, they're durable. The only issue I have is, and I knew it when I bought it, was that they have straps that go underneath the seat and they hang on the side of the saddlebags. And so they work well in that application, but I would really like to be able to take these bags off and on quick. Well, Nelson-Rigg has developed a way to do that, and this is their quick release saddlebag plate. So what you'll do is you'll mount your luggage, and it can be a lot of different variety of luggage. It doesn't have to be their brand. And you will mount that onto the plate, and then this plate fits a variety of mounting racks for different motorcycles. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to attach the luggage to the plates and then put the plates on my Happy Trail racks on the Royal Enfield Himalaya. Now, if you'd like to see a review of these bags, you can check that video out as well. Also, the Happy Trail racks that I have on the Himalayan, you can go check that out also. Now, the only thing about my racks are they're a little bit smaller than what Nelson-Rigg recommends as far as sizing goes, but it's so close. I'm going to show you a real easy fix that I'm going to do to make these racks fit. Let's take a quick look back. I'm going to show you exactly how I've been attaching these bags and why this plate is going to make a big difference and make it a lot easier when you want to get these bags on and off. So a little bit of fine tuning, and I did decide to keep the seat off the bike and go underneath the rails. Let me show you how it fits. Loops through underneath the seat. Here's our mounting rack right here. Little pad. Tighten that up. This seat's going to go on top of here. All these racks here, they get straps to them, so it's not going to go anywhere. And then I'll have the seat go up on top of that. To me, it's a good system, but I bet as I get going and going off-road and packing these bags down, I'll probably have to make adjustments to these straps. Before I strap the bags to the plate, I wanted to make sure that I had the plate in the correct position. The ideal size for this is 18.8 millimeter to 19 millimeter when it comes to the mounting rack. We're talking about the size of this rack here. Or if they have a bigger one that's 19 to 20, that you can get a bigger latching device. So you have all these different mounting positions you can move them around to. So no matter what shape your rack is here, there's a good chance these are going to fit. And they just slide on, goes into place, and you're done. So, and I don't have that tightened down. I can show you once I put it on there how it fits, but yeah, it's that easy. Latch it, and it's off. So, got these in the correct position, so let's go put the Hurricane bag onto this plate. Next step's really important one. We've got these mounting brackets where we need them, but we need to put some thread lock on, so we're going to back out these bolts one at a time, put a little thread lock on them. That way they stay in place as we travel. So we just need a little bit on here. All right, let's get that bag mounted. So first thing you're going to want to do is take the plate and put it on the back of the saddlebag, kind of center it in the middle of the bag. Then you're going to take these two tension log buckles and put it through the top slot of the plate and pull them down. Next, you're going to take one of the throwover straps And above these two mounts here, you're going to pick a horizontal slot and you're going to put it through one side, up through the other side, and you're going to want to give these equal lengths on both sides. Then you're going to take one on this side, you're going to double up, fold that strap over, you're going to go through the bottom, fold it over and come through the top, and you're going to pull some tension on that. Same with this one. All right, so that's your first strap. So next up we have these side straps. We're going to run those through these side slots. So once you have those through the side slots, we're going to set the bag upright and we're going to attach them to the front. Now that we have all four of those side straps through the plate, we're going to wrap them around to the front and we're going to attach them to these MOLLE attachments here. We're not going to tighten anything down just yet. Okay, now we're going to do a little tightening here. So there you can see you've got straps here that are holding it to the plate there, and then you've got all four of these side straps on here that are holding this bag through here. Now there's a couple other tricks here I'll show you as well. So as we look at this strap up here on top, it actually is part of the bottom here, and as you tug on that, it'll pull it. So what you can do is you can run it through the top slot, now when we attach the top and we pull some tension on that, that's actually keeping this bag up against this plate even more. That bag is not leaving that plate. And we can fold these up as well. Now our last step is this throwover strap that we put on here, where most of the weight of this bag is carried on these two straps. And so you'll want to make sure that you adjust these every time you put them on and off, and just make sure that they're tight. So another cool part about this bag is this top latch has a pre-drilled hole in it where you can get like a gun safe lock, put it through there, and now your bag's locked to where someone can't just pop it off your bike. So there you go, that's the final product. We've got our MOLLEs all fastened in, wrapped around the side, through these side slats. The top we've already snugged. Yeah, that's a solid product. Let's go put it on the bike. So let's show you how easy it is to put this on and take this bag off. Slides right on, done. Take it off, and pull it off. We will tighten these down though, so the official way to do it is thumb screw these tight in the back. So once you got that bag on, you're just going to take this and just tighten that. And of course, to take these off, you'll just do it a couple turns to the left just to get this screw off that metal bar. Now, if you'll notice on this bag, there's a little bit of play. That little bit of play is because I've got a smaller size rack back here than what this system's made for. Most bikes, 90%, have a thicker tubular bar here to where this system will work. Mine's just a little bit off, so I'm going to show you how I fix that. So all I'm doing is taking some really fat, thick electrical tape. It's about a foot long. And where that's meeting, I'm just going to add a little thickness to this. So I put a little bit of electrical tape on there. It made that tube just a little bit thicker. And now it's on, doesn't shake, fits perfect. Thanks for watching today. Pretty quick video. It was easy. It was an easy assembly. Getting the Hurricane bag onto the quick release plate took me about 15 minutes tops. Getting it on the bike, probably less than that. It's going to be a great system. It's going to be so much easier to use. So I can't wait to get out on the road and put it to the test now. Thanks for watching again. If you do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, leave some comments. Let's get this bag off the bike. Easy as that. Stay tuned. We have one more thing with Zoe. Who's there? You, what are you? Are you happy Merry Christmas all one? You ready for Christmas, Zoe? Yeah. Are you gonna get another bag of coal this year?
No.
No, what are you getting? A new puppy dog?
No.